Hey there. Okay, let's do this. I got a package from Yummy. I ordered their Indian hair that they I don't know if they're gonna continue to carry it, but I can't remember if they ever carried it before. But it was my first time seeing the Indian hair from Yummy, so I decided to purchase some. So let's see what it looks like. Okay. So here is my box, my FedEx box. So it came with, this is the box. This is Yummy's new box, which I like the box. The box is really nice, very elegant, very pretty packaging. We got the Run DMC daughters on here. Pastor Run, whatever. I don't know the girls' names, but oh nice. Okay, Yummy. Okay, Yummy. They put, I'm assuming, my invoice in here. They have really upgraded their packaging. Really nice. And I love the box. AnJelic collection by Yummy Extensions. So you get this card. And it says, celebrate sisterhood, AnJelic Yummy. Experience the finest raw Indian hair extensions, authentically sourced and unmatched in quality. Our dedication to providing you with exceptional products shines through every strand. So that's what's on the back of the card. And this QR code, you scan that and it gives you hair care instructions. So that's really nice. So that's something new that they're doing. So that's new to me because I haven't purchased Yummy hair in probably, I don't know, about 6 months, I guess. All right, so bundle. Oh, something else in here. Recommended product list for the hair care guide, which is cool. So they started putting this nice satin lining in the box, which is great. So when you take your hair out, you can use the box without having to put it in the satchel anymore. So this is a really nice touch. Really nice touch. Okay. So, and it says celebrate sisterhood inside. So I'm assuming that you get what you pay for, right? Yummy has an elegant brand, so they want to make sure that they send it to you in elegant. So this is nice. This is really nice. I like this. Nice touch. Nice touch. Now, I only ordered 2 bundles. Now, I ordered 2 bundles of 24 inches. So I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see. All right. So I ordered 2 bundles of 24 inches of their raw Indian hair. So it has the label on there. It says raw Indian authentic hair, raw authentic Indian wavy curls, 24 inches. AnJelic collection. Oh, I hope this is enough hair. It normally is. 2 bundles is normally enough for me. Oh, it's pretty. Ooh. Oh, it's soft. I miss Indian hair. It's soft. Oh, look at that. That is pretty Yummy. Okay. That is pretty. That is pretty. That is pretty. Look. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, wow. That's really pretty. So this is bundle 1. And as you can see, it does feel, I mean, you can tell the difference. I've been wearing raw hair for so long. This is raw hair, people. This is raw. That's raw. That's unprocessed hair. I can already tell from the way it feels, the way it moves, the way it bounces. This is raw hair. So I don't regret my purchase so far. And I'll tell you guys in a minute how much I spent. This is not a sponsored video. I didn't get a discount. I ordered it the same way you order it, okay? Yummy is not sponsoring this video. They don't even know I'm here. Okay, now here's the second bundle. And it should be a 24. Yes, this is also 24. This one seems a little bit tighter. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh, gosh. It's so pretty. I wanted to order like a closure to match, but they didn't have any. So I went ahead and just ordered the 2 bundles. But I did order a closure as well from Yummy. I was apprehensive because my last few experiences with Yummy and their curly texture lace products weren't the best. But I've been purchasing for them so long. I said, hey, let me just give it another shot. Maybe they rectified the issues with their vendor, and hopefully we won't have those issues anymore. So I did order a closure, but I did not order the closure for this because they didn't offer it. So let me get the closure that I did order and show you guys that one as well. Okay, full disclosure. So this didn't come in that elegant box and that really nice setup like the AnJelic line. It just came in this. This is how they sent it to me. It was through FedEx, so it was in one of them envelopes. And I got this, the thank you card, and of course my invoice and care tips, and a bag. Well, I think I don't know. I don't even know if they sent me that bag or not. And this is the closure that I got. What I end up getting, I wanted to try something different because I've tried Yummy's frontals, and I think I might have ordered a closure, but I mainly use their frontals. And I've always had good experiences with the LAO, the Cambodian Wavy, the Cambodian Wave. I've ordered quite a few of those. But when I ordered the Opulence and I ordered the Burma, it was horrible. It was horrible. And then I also ordered a Kinky Curly from them as well. Those 3 were like the worst frontals I have experienced ever. And I was so disappointed that it came from Yummy. I was so disappointed because they have not let me down when it comes to their wefted hair. It's been A1. And their closures, their frontals that I've had in the past, in the wavy texture and the LAO, which is more like a more silky texture, Southeast Asian type hair, it's been great. But when it came to that curly stuff, oh my God, it was horrible. So, fingers crossed. I hope I'm not a fool for ordering this, but I ordered another curly lace piece from Yummy. I will keep you posted on how it does. Now, I ordered this in 2025. The other ones were older. It had tainted my experience with them. But I said, it's 2025. Give it another try. Okay? Maybe they've rectified their issues. It is HD, as you can see. And it's a pretty big closure. I decided to do a closure and not a frontal. This is the 7x7 closure. So that means it's 7 inches across, 7 inches to the back. So it's really big, covers a lot of my head. And this is the Burma Curly. Now, I ordered this thinking I could somehow use it with this, but I don't think so. I don't think that's going to work. So I don't know what I'm going to do. But I do have Burma hair. So I'm going to just I made a wig out of the Burma hair that I had using their Burma frontal. So now I get to take that wig apart, use the wefts, and use it with this hair. So I do have something to match. And it's very pretty. I got high hopes for her. High hopes. Okay. So Yummy, please don't let me down. And this was not cheap. It was not cheap. This was the first time I ever seen a 7x7 from Yummy. So I went ahead and ordered it. And it was not cheap at all. It was just as expensive as a 13x6 frontal, honestly. I can tell you that now. So, I'm going to cover up my shipping information, but y'all can look for yourself. and see how much it goes. The total, it was $290 for the closure. And I had to pay the shipping protection, which was $875. Taxes. They don't charge me for Chesterfield. They tripping. Anyway, it came up to $340.15. I don't know if you can see all that, but I paid for it with my own money. No discount. All right. So when I do these reviews for you guys, my experience is the same as yours when it comes to ordering and shipping and delivery time. All that stuff is the same. Customer service, I get the same customer service you get. It don't go on my order saying, "Hey, I'm an influencer." I don't do any of that. They don't know me. So, yeah. This came super fast. I ordered it on a Thursday, received it on a Monday. So, shout out to Yummy for the fast. I mean, it was super quick. I got it on Monday. Ordered it on a Thursday. Got it on a Monday. Let's see. Because I couldn't believe, I couldn't believe how quickly I got it. I ordered it on the 10th, got it on the 12th. It said 3 business days, but I got it in 1 business day. So that was awesome. So this is the closure. Huge. So, all right. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hair. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty. I need a closure though, because I don't know, unless I wear like a center part. But this is the hair. I gotta find something to match it though. So I'm gonna look and see if I got something that maybe I got a frontal or something that I can use, because I don't want to wear my hair out. So, all right, I'll keep you guys posted. Stay tuned for the install.